Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about product of sum reduction using K-maps. So previous videos we saw the reduction of Boolean expression using K-maps, okay, based on sum of products, okay, that is SOP. Now here onwards, you are going to see what is product of sum and how to identify the max terms and how to draw the K-maps and label the variables for the K-maps in this video. In POS reduction, each square of K-map represents a max term. So in SOP, each square represents a min term. In POS, each square represents max term. Okay. For a function of n variables, there would be a map of 2 to the power n squares, each representing a max term. So this is what we already done in SOP also. Okay. If you have two variables, it will be 2 to the power 2 and you will have 4 squares. And if it is 3, okay, 2 to the power 3, it will be 8 squares. And if it is 4 variables, then 2 to the power 4 is 16 squares. So it is same like SOP reduction. Fill these squares with zeros whose max terms lead to a 0 output. So it is just opposite to SOP. Everything is just opposite to SOP reduction. In POS reduction, you have to fill the squares with 0 whose max terms lead to the output 0. So if you see a question with some numbers, max term numbers, okay, as cardinal form, you have to fill it up, fill the K maps with zeros instead of 1. Okay, so we will be seeing in detail. Now this is the two variable K map representing the max term. Okay, everything is just opposite. If you have two variables, it will be x and y, and left represents x and top represents y. Okay, here you can see 0 represent x and 1 represent x dash. So it should be x for the first row, x dash for the second row. Same way on the top columns you can see 0 represents y. Okay, y represents 0 and y dash represents 1. Okay, so you have to start with first column with y and second column with y dash. Now when you combine this, you can see it will be x plus y. Okay, the first box will be x plus y when you combine this first row and first column, and first row second column will be x plus y dash. Second row first column is x dash plus y, and the final box will be x dash and plus y dash. So this is how you are going to write the max terms, that is a representation of the variables. Okay, now you can see the right hand side K map. This is how the actual K map will look like. The labeling will be there and the numbers will be as usual 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this will be the actual K map. Only difference is you will see x will be the starting, and then you won't have the complement first, but you will have the uncomplement version of the variable x, and then you will have followed by x dash. So here also you will have y and then followed by y dash. Okay, now you are going to see the three variable K map representing max terms. Okay, it's same like the min terms. Okay, three variable K map. Okay, only difference is you have the same thing we saw in the previous slide, where you have x and x dash for the first two rows, and on the top column you can see first it starts with y plus y plus z. Second row, second column will be y plus z dash, and then third column will be y dash plus z dash, and finally we'll have y dash plus z. So you can see the gray code here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. It is actually absolutely same like the 3 map K map representing the min terms. Only difference is if you have 0, you have to write the uncomplement version. If it is 1, you have to write the complement version. That is only difference, and you have to put plus sign instead of dot symbol, right? And the remaining thing is you have to merge it. Okay, you have to combine the rows and column headings and write it as the variable x plus y plus z for the first box, and x plus y plus z dash for the second. So it goes on like that for the remaining. Okay, you have to use plus sign. Okay, and you will see the actual three variable K map down. You can see the numbering 1, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So it is absolutely the same like the previous three variable K map representing min terms. Now we'll go to the 4 variable K-map representing max terms. Here you will have two variables by the left side and two variables on top. Okay, and the gray code will be the same, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. You have to write as per the gray code. So w plus x, w plus x dash, w dash plus x dash, and w dash plus x. Okay, and on top it will be y plus z dash, y dash plus z dash, and y dash plus z. So when you combine this, you will get all these term, that is Boolean expression. Okay, and the numbering will be seen. You can see the right hand side K map here. You can see the numbering. It is 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 12 13 15 14 and 8 9 11 10. It is same like your 4 variable K map representing minterms. Okay, otherwise only the labeling has been changed. Okay, you will have to write the complemented version and uncomplemented version. Also you have to write the plus sign instead of a dot operator when you use minterm. Okay, so hope you understood this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.